Hey Google, what's the meaning of life? At Tom's Guide and Perch Labs, we test hundreds of products to find the very best for your needs and wallet. Google Home is noticeably smaller than its chief competition, the Amazon Echo, but attracts the eye more than Amazon's staid black cylinder. The standard slate base is available in more colorful options, including orange, violet, and copper. Additional bases are about 20 bucks and they're really easy to swap out. Although much of the appeal of Google Home lies in its hands-free operation, you can use your hands if you need to. The top of the speaker is touch sensitive. Tap once to pause or play, or swipe clockwise to raise the volume. If you don't want the speaker to constantly listen for the activation phrase "OK Google," you can mute the microphone with a button on the back. Just like Amazon did with Echo, Google's left out some standard features we've grown accustomed to seeing in portable speakers. There's no battery, which means Home isn't entirely mobile, and it's not waterproof, which is a real bummer if you're planning on using it in the kitchen. It also lacks a speakerphone, auxiliary input, even Bluetooth connectivity. You need Wi-Fi to connect. If you're in the Google ecosystem, Google Home, powered by Google Assistant, becomes an intelligent extension of your online existence. It taps into all of your tools, Gmail, Calendar, or Contacts as example, and links to your YouTube Red, Spotify, and Pandora accounts. You can also add smart home devices including Nest, Philips Hue, and SmartThings, as well as Google Chromecast. In many ways, Echo's Alexa and Home's Assistant are similar. Both can answer basic questions from weather to sports updates. I asked both, how do you say "let's go" in French? Assistant responded correctly, whereas Alexa needed me to open the Alexa app on my phone to see the answer. Sadly, neither assistant is smart enough to answer more complex questions like who hit the go-ahead run in the '87 series, or who's the #1 team in college football right now. As for voice, Alexa wins for being a bit more realistic, but Google Assistant takes the prize for speed and handling. It answered a few questions that Alexa just couldn't. Google Home has excellent microphone range, letting me engage from as far as 20 feet in a different room. Perhaps Google Home's biggest differentiator is its ability to integrate with Google Cast devices, including Chromecast. With Home, you don't need your phone to start or control a cast, you just need your voice. All you have to do is say what you want it to play and which device you want it to play on. For example, play jazz on Chromecast. Google uses your default music service unless you specify a different one. If you use Chromecast audio for multiple room audio, you can specify a speaker set too. You can even launch videos with your voice. When I said play tasty videos on Chromecast, it played videos from YouTube. The implementation has a few bugs to work out. For example, I had difficulty getting Spotify to launch, especially when the app wasn't already running on Chromecast. It actually worked best when I started the cast from my phone and then used Assistant to change the song. Google Home has made the smart speaker race more interesting. But when deciding which speaker to buy, consider the services you use rather than the speaker itself. If you like Amazon Music and take advantage of the shopping integration Alexa offers, the Echo is a better match. But if you use Google for your mail, calendar, and other online tools, Home becomes an invaluable extension of your digital existence.